Welcome back to the channel. What if I told you that right now there's a massive shift happening in real estate and it's putting buyers back in the driver's seat? That's right, more people are turning to new construction this year than ever before. And it's not just for the smell of fresh paint, it's because builders are rolling out incentives and deals that could literally save you thousands. For the last couple of years, buyers have been beyond frustrated battling low resale inventory, rising prices, and interest rates that feel like they're working against you. But guess what? According to the latest data from Keeping Current Matters, new home sales are now at their highest point in over 2 years. So, why the sudden change? Because builders finally adjusted to reality? They're no longer holding out there offering major incentives to move their inventory. This is a huge deal. Builders have cut prices by as much as 13% from their peaks, and they're offering everything from rate buydowns to thousands in closing cost credits. It's like walking into a car dealership at the end of the year when everything is on sale. We're seeing builders offer mortgage rate buydowns that significantly lower your monthly payment, provide thousands of dollars to cover your closing costs, and even throw in free upgrades like high-end countertops, premium flooring, new appliances, and extended warranties. It's not just talk. Over 60% of builders are offering deals on homes that are yet to be built, and more than 75% are sweetening the pot on quick-moving homes. If you've been waiting for the right moment to buy, this could be your power window of opportunity. But here's the thing you need to know: these incentives won't last forever. Builders are already quietly slowing down new construction starts. Once those finished homes are gone, the leverage swings right back to the seller. Across the country, especially in the South and West, the current inventory of new homes has given buyers room to breathe, but single-family construction is already down almost 4% year over year. That means the pipeline of brand new homes is going to tighten again soon. This current wave of opportunity, it's temporary. The buyers who are jumping in now are locking in builder discounts, getting brand new warranties, and completely avoiding bidding wars. So what's the smartest move if you're even considering new construction? First, compare incentives. Ask every builder for a full list of what they're offering: price reductions, rate buydowns, upgrades, and closing credits. Second, use that information as leverage. Visit multiple builders. If one offers you $10,000 in incentives, bring that information to the next one and see if they can beat it. Third, and this is crucial, don't go in alone. Have a buyer's agent represent you, not the builder. Their fee is paid by the builder, not you, and they're there to negotiate on your behalf. And finally, act fast. Once inventory starts to tighten again, these offers will disappear. This is how smart buyers are getting brand new homes at prices that rival resale. You're not overpaying, you're negotiating with leverage. So if you've been sitting on the sidelines thinking you're priced out, this might be the perfect storm working in your favor. Builders are motivated, and for the first time in a long time, buyers have options again. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next video. See you soon.